SESAME Access has dedicated to global access control system for 14 years. We have stable performance access controllers, which are IP68 waterproof, LED backlights, wagon input and output, or MIFAR, dual voltage, ACT, strong, sturdy and vandal-proof zinc alloy, supports up to 2,000 users in either card, 4-digit PIN, or a card plus PIN option. These features make the unit an ideal choice for door access, not only for small shops and domestic households, but also for commercial and industrial applications such as factories, warehouses, laboratories, banks, and prisons.